Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python programming series. This is episode 1, program 1.5. We modified the dice simulator so that it can play Ludo. First, let me show you how this modified dice simulator works. So you still have to press Y to roll the dice. But this time, if the number false is not equal to 6, then the dice will not roll again. So now, let's do some coding. So to make this modified dice simulator, we first import the random module, as it will have functions which will help us generate random numbers. Now the program works in this way that if the dice rolls 6, it will roll again, and if it doesn't, the dice won't roll again. Now the dice sim function is the same as ever. We use the randint function of the random module to generate a random number between 1 and 6, and then we return that number. Next, we write the main program. We use the const variable and assign the value y to it. Now we create a while loop and put the const variable inside it. Now, as usual, we ask the user to input y so as to roll the dice. Now, we check if the const variable is equal to y. If it's equal to y, we store a random number between 1 and 6 in the variable a, and if a is not equal to 6, we print what the dice rolled and then break, that is, we get out of the loop. Otherwise, we print what the dice rolled and then continue the loop again. And thus, this program is finished. Now I will tell you why I write this input statement, enter nothing to do nothing. This is to prevent the program from immediately closing when you open the program in the command line. Let's take a quick look what our code looks like. Now, let's roll the dice. So we save the program as dice simulator mod, and now the program is running. So now when I roll the dice and I get a number that is not equal to 6, it will automatically close. And when I run the program again and roll the dice and get a 6, the dice will roll again. So it works exactly how the game of Ludo works. Thank you very much for watching. Also, do check out the description. Screenshots of source code, sample input output have been provided there for further assistance. So, see you again guys. Do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I promise I'll be posting regularly from now on.